Hello everybody, welcome back for another video. Hope you are all doing well and all having a great day. Today we will talk about secants and angle measures. Our objective is to demonstrate an understanding that if two secants or chords intersect inside a circle, then the measure of the angle formed by the two secants is half the sum of the measure of the intercepted arcs. This means if we have here the circle with two intersected secants, then measure of angle 1 will be equal to half the sum of the measure of the arc AB plus measure of the arc CD. Also, measure of angle 2 is equal half the sum of the arc AD or DA plus measure of the arc BC. Of course, note that angle 1 and angle 2 are supplementary angles. Let us take some examples. Refer to the circle below to find measure of angle TVU. As you see here, measure of angle TVU is equal to half the sum of measure of the arc RS plus measure of the arc TU, which means half multiplied by the sum of 84 plus 130, which is equal to half multiplied by their sum, which is 214, and this means that measure of angle TVU is equal to 107. Example number 2. Refer to the circle below to find measure of angle BED. Angle BED. As you see here, we don't have the intercepted arcs given for the angle BED. So, what shall we do? First step, we have to find measure of angle AEB. Measure of angle AEB equals half multiplied by measure of the arc AB plus measure of the arc CD, which means half multiplied by the sum of 143 plus 75, and it will give us that half multiplied by 218, and finally it will be 109 degrees. Second step, we need to find measure of angle BED. Angle BED and angle AEB are two supplementary angles. So we can say that measure of angle BED equals 180 minus 109, which is 71 degrees. Example number 3. Refer to the circle below to find X. Here, as you can see, X is representing the arc GH. Look at the angle GLH. Measure of the angle GLH equals half the sum of the arc GH plus measure of the arc KJ. Now replace the values. Measure of the angle GLH equals 110. This is equal to half multiplied by the sum of the first one is X and the other one is 97 degrees. To solve this linear equation, we multiply both sides by 2, we'll get 220 equals x degree plus 97. Then we subtract 97, so we'll get the value of x will be 123. Now it's your turn. We have here a checkpoint and you have to answer the following questions. Refer to the circles below to find x. First, second, third, and fourth. This is the end of our video for today. We'll see you next time.